Infrastructure tools. In current version we have three infrastructure tools: crosswalk, road lines, and roads. These two can be very helpful when creating large scenes with roads and the elements on the roads such as sidewalks, road lines, crosswalks. Starting point for creating roads would be to create some network of curves, which each curve is a separate road. Each segment of the road is a single curve, and just apply roads tool on this network. Roads tool is in fact an advanced version of mass offset tool working on curves. So we can select all handles, or with holding shift key we can select just some of them and change the width of the road. What is additional on this tool is these line marks and shoulder marks option. So I will select all handles, and with lane marks I will create lane marks curves. We can create also more of them, but one will be enough. And these shoulder marks option. Shoulder marks can be later used as a sidewalk. So with this one usage of the tool, with properly setting proper options, we can create a curve version of the road very quickly. With a trim tool we can clean up the result, so we delete these additional lines which we don't need on this model, and now we have very clean curve based road model. And in the next step I will select these road lines curves and separate them into another layer. Here I will join them, and we can immediately join them, and we can immediately use a road line tool on this. So just use road lines tool, and it will quickly create a road lines from existing curves. Road lines tool works with two modes: single. Okay, I will use another view. Okay, this view is better. Road lines works with a single mode and double mode, so it will create one or two road lines. Each road line can be solid, dashed version, dot version, or dash dot version. Each type of the road line has a parameters in numeric panel, so we can set width, length, dash space, dot space, dash dot space, everything is parametric. And in final object I will use solid and dashed version. Very nice, very quick, very easy. The polygon version of road line and road very quickly using a curve topology tool. So just one use of curve topology we will create a road polygonal version of the road. Same for curve, same for these road lines. Just apply curve topology and polygonal version is done. And the last missing piece of the road is a, we'll put this into top viewport. Last part would be a crosswalk. So crosswalk can immediately create polygons, so we can switch between curves and polygons. So I will immediately create polygons. And crosswalk has 6 basic modes, so it depends on your country. You probably find your type of crosswalk. Here are ladder, zebra, dashed, continental, standard, and solid. In my country there is a continental version, so I will use this version. And very neat feature of a crosswalk tool is this align to sidewalk. So with this we can this way very nicely set a crosswalk on existing sidewalk. So we can very quickly create a sidewalk on existing roads. Everything is parametric, so we can change the length and width directly from numeric panel. Also, we can set a crossline width, crossline space. Everything is parametric, so we can set it